Understanding gym anxiety.
Many beginners feel nervous about stepping into a gym. You might worry about being judged, using machines incorrectly, or not fitting in. Recognizing these feelings as normal is the first step. Remember, most people are focused on their own workouts. Understanding gym anxiety helps you create a plan to manage it and feel more at ease.
Setting realistic expectations.
Expect progress to take time and practice. Avoid comparing yourself to others or aiming for perfection. Set small, specific goals, like completing a short workout or trying one new exercise. Achievable goals can boost motivation and build confidence each time you visit the gym.
Shifting your focus.
Instead of worrying about what others think, focus on your own journey. Try listening to music or following a written workout plan to stay focused. Celebrate your effort, not just the results. Over time, shifting your focus inward makes each visit more positive and rewarding.
Learning the basics.
Familiarize yourself with the equipment and common exercises before going to the gym. Many gyms offer free orientations or have staff ready to assist. Watching videos or reading guides can also help you feel prepared. Knowing what to expect reduces uncertainty and builds your confidence over time.
Building a support system.
Going with a friend, joining a class, or finding a workout buddy can make the gym experience less intimidating. Sharing the journey with others provides encouragement and accountability. Even celebrating small milestones together can help make the process enjoyable and sustainable.
Embracing progress, not perfection.
Accept that feeling a little uneasy is normal, especially at the start. Each gym session is a step forward. Focus on your improvements, no matter how small, and be kind to yourself along the way. With patience and persistence, gym anxiety can be replaced by confidence and a sense of accomplishment.